Alright, so this is part 4. It's supposed to be a part 3, but we all knocked out and he ended up installing the front lip already. So this is the front lip. Looks pretty good. And pretty much installed all the lip kits on. Now we're doing the coilovers. So pretty much got the car in the air already. Just gotta take out the bolts and all that stuff and throw on the coilovers. Hopefully not an all-day process. Alright, so these are what we're throwing on. These are Fortunato 510s. What's it?
8K spring rate.
8K custom spring rates. These are custom made. Expensive ass suspensions. Yeah, these are super nice. That's the rear and the fronts. Also come with damper adjustments and camber adjustment too.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Yeah, that one you gotta take it to a alignment shop and do that. I don't know how to do that. Alright, so just pretty much got pretty much all the nuts and bolts loose to take out the stock suspension, and we're gonna throw in the new one. We're doing a firmer now, so just gotta take that off and that off and just pop it out. Alright, so we pretty much got the front load control arm in, doing the rears, but this is pretty much the front right now. We're just gonna have to tighten everything down, readjust the height, and then do the rear. Alright, so we just finished the install for the rear coilovers. Fronts are in. Just gotta torque everything down, then pretty much mess with the height adjustment and find the perfect height for the car, and pretty much done with the coilover installation. Pretty much we finished installing the coilovers. This is pretty much how it sits right now. Looking real nice. Didn't get to record the front lip. It was too late. We got tired. Just ended up throwing it on without recording. Same thing with my car. Do on the lip too. Got tired, you know, didn't want to record, so I got my full lip kit on also. Same thing. This is the newer model, old school model. They're very similar on the side skirts are pretty much the same. Front lips a little bit different, but almost the same. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Follow, like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit that post notification. Peace.